Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming. Today I'm going to tell you why Volt Clear Shave changes the game. Now as you can see, I obviously need to shave here. I've got a lot of just rough hairs and a couple days of growth here on my neck that I want to get rid of, and I want to sharpen up this here beard line, as well as some of the lines on my cheeks. Now, to any guy with a beard out there, you're gonna be wondering what shaving product you should use. Here's why you should use a clear shaving gel instead of something like shaving cream or foam. And what better way to show you than to demonstrate on myself. So, here I've got some of Volt's Clear Shave, and here I have just some generic shaving foam. One side I'm gonna do clear shave, one side I'm gonna do shaving foam, and we're gonna battle them out. So pro tip here for you guys, one thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you start some warm water first. Warm water is just gonna soak up, it's gonna loosen up your hairs, it's gonna soften up your skin and prepare it for shaving. Ultimately, you're just gonna have a much cleaner, better shave with less irritation. Now I'm just gonna dab some water on my neck. Let's start with the clear shave side. Now you don't need a lot of it, a little bit goes a long way because this stuff is really slick. Just gonna rub it around in my hands a little bit and apply it to one side here. Which side should we do? Let's do this one. When you apply it, you can feel just how smooth it is going on. And then some on my cheeks as well. Next up, shaving foam. All right, now I'm gonna mix it and foam it up a little bit. You can see just how foamy that gets. Apply it on this side. Okay, so right away, something I don't like about the foam is it gets all over your shirt. The clear shave, because it's clear, doesn't show up at all. It'll show up maybe as a little water on your shirt, which dries away. But the foam will stay there unless you get your shirt super wet to wipe it all off. Okay, the other thing I don't like about the foam is that you cannot see the edges of your beard lines. It kind of hides away where the razor should go in order to get a nice clean beard line. But let's shave with it and see if we can actually tell a difference. Now as you can see, the shaving gel is really slick. It's slippery. No cuts or redness or razor bumps or anything going on right now. Same razor, let's try this side now. Another thing I don't like is how it gunks up the razor here. You can see all that. Hard to kind of tell where the razor should stop. All right, now as you can see, I think I'm just about done. Not sure how my beard line is gonna look, but I got some on my shirt with the shaving cream. I'm also kind of think I'm done up here, but it looks good to me. We'll see how it is when I wash it out. All right, let's see what the results are. So if I lift my head up like this, you can see that on this side, I got perfectly close up to the neckline. Starting right here in the center, and on this side, there are some hairs underneath that are missed just because I couldn't really see how far the razor should go. You can probably see this little group of hairs right here before you actually get to my neckline. I'm gonna have to fix that later. My cheek line did pretty good. That one I'm pretty used to on both sides. Looks pretty good to me. Ultimately, it's just this neckline here, which is why I don't like shaving cream. That, and you can probably also see there's still some shaving cream that's staining the top of my shirt right here. If any of you have beards out there, or facial hair really of any kind, and you need some kind of precision when you're shaving, then something like a clear shave gel is really the best and only option you should be considering. It's just as slick, if not more slick, than a shaving cream or shaving foam. It doesn't stain your clothes as much, it's gonna keep you from getting cut. And really, the hidden benefit of Volt is you can buy one of these bottles and get a cheap big refill pack from them to refill this as many times as you need. This is a lot of clear shaving gel right here. But it doesn't cost a lot of money. You can refill this bottle like a bunch. So ultimately, any of you guys out there with facial hair, that is what I would do, and the clear winner is gonna be the clear shave. If you guys are curious about the clear shaving gel and wanna know more about the natural ingredients or anything that goes into it, head over to voltgrooming.com. You can learn a lot about it there. I just wanna say thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another Volt video.